This is Jim Hemter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for May 21st, 2018. Corn market up 1/4 to 1 here today. Beans up 25 to 26 1/4. Wheat market down 8 to 11 in Chicago. Minneapolis down 4 to 7. Kansas City down 11 to 12. When you look to the grain news today, China really the big token here. Rumors and reports about the weekend of China and the U.S. Delegation working some things out in this trade war, putting things on hold and trying to work together. We'll see just what we get. Still not a lot of details. The indications we did receive were China was going to purchase more egg-based product from the U.S., and that obviously gets the market excited to some degree, knowing that China needs soybeans, needs meal, and needs components here, sorghum, other crops, as we work ahead. So we'll see just what that amounts to. Obviously, corn and wheat, the laggard here today, but still some good closes for corn, staying above this 402 mark. If corn can get up and get going here, price counts remain at 418 to 428 off the July, and we think that'll suffice for this rally potential here. That could put corn new crop in that 430, 440 range. The last couple times we've had 1.7 crops. That's about the highs we have seen. So be attentive to your marketing and try to build within those seasonals here. Bean market, on the other hand, we tested our support at 1002, held it perfectly. We talked about calls and call spreads last week, and you can see the importance of it with the quick reaction to the top side here now this week. What becomes important now is this 1030 to 1050 resistance area. We just don't know if we've got enough punch to really accelerate through that. So that's what you're going to want to watch from a marketing perspective. Wheat market, just back and forth based off the stories. We'll kind of see what progression here we've got after seeing some rains in the near term. Feeder cattle up 170 to 287 and a half. Live cattle up 2 to 252 and a half. Hog market down 40 to 70. Cattle putting some momentum together here today, encouraging to see back above the 100 threshold, and that's great news. We'll see what kind of extensions we've got, but the bend but don't break too far philosophy has been working now. Put in a double bottom, and we'll see just how much momentum we can get cattle. Hogs, on the other hand, we've talked about the choppy nature that we're forecasting here, and we look for that to continue. This has been Jim Hemter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.